Good morning, dear student. Let us start the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Money. We are going to learn what is money, what are the different kinds of money, and how to convert money from one form to another form. Let us start the class. Now, when the word money comes to your mind, what do you think? Okay, so there are different situations, different circumstances that happen in our life. Okay, for example, if you have gone to a shop and purchased some items, what should you give to the shopkeeper? Okay, so if you have gone to a shop and you want to buy something, okay, and you want to, if you want to buy something, you have to give to the shopkeeper something back. What is the thing that you give back to the shopkeeper? There is only one thing. If you have to buy anything, you have to give money back to the shopkeeper in exchange of the goods. Okay, so money is the key thing for the exchanging of any item from a shop or a mall. Okay, so where do you use money in your day-to-day life? Okay, we use money in our day-to-day life to buy various kinds of things like groceries, okay, or your books, copies, pencil. Okay, so there are different kinds of things we can buy only with the help of money, in the exchange of money. Is it really necessary to have money for buying anything? Okay, so money is the key feature to buy anything from a shop or a mall. In the olden days or in the earlier days, people used to exchange item. There was no circulation of money, but now money is the only currency where we can get anything in exchange for money. Okay, so money used in daily life to buy or to sell. Okay, money is used. In the picture you can see, okay, a woman is buying fruits, oranges from a shopkeeper. She can buy the fruit oranges only in the exchange of money. So money is used in our day to day life in the buying and selling processes, and that happens between us and the shopkeepers. The types of money. Okay, so the types of money we have are notes and coin. In the first picture you can see, these are notes. Notes are made of paper, and the bigger value of money you will get in notes, like 500, 2000 rupees, 50 rupees, 200 rupees, okay, 100 rupees, 20 rupees, and 10 rupees. Below are the coins. Okay, so 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 1 rupee coin. The notes are made of paper and coins are made of metal. Coins usually are having smaller value. Now what is the value? The number written either in the notes or in the coin is the value of the money. Suppose here in this coin, the value is the number is written as 10, so its value is 10 rupee. Okay, so the number written on the notes and coins is the value of the money. Okay, money is written in rupees and paise. So there are two ways of writing money. First is rupees and the second is paise. Okay, so rupee symbol is this symbol, and the paise is written either in words P-A-I-S-E, paise, or small p. Now this rupee symbol, this is the rupee symbol that is being used to denote money. But like 10 years back, the rupees, instead of the rupee sign, the word rs is used to denote or express money. Okay, so nowadays this rupee symbol are used, but earlier this rs was used to express money. Now what is the relation between rupees and paise? Okay, so rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. That means there should be 100 paise to have rupees 1. And how many rupees are there in 1 paise? There is 1 by 100 rupees in 1 paise. And how many rupees are there in 100 paise? It is rupees 1. So this is the relation between rupees and paise. Now conversion of money. How to convert rupees to paise? Okay, so the step is given here that we multiply the rupees by 100. Okay, now we know that rupees 1 equals to 100 p. Now if I want to convert rupees 3 into paise, then what I have to do, I have to multiply 3 with 100 paise. Then the answer I will get is 300 paise. In this way we can convert rupees to paise. The key important thing is that we have to remember that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise, and then if I have to convert any amount, I have taken a smaller value here, rupees 3. So rupees 3 equals to 3 into 100 p, that becomes 300 paise. The next is how to convert paise to rupees. Okay, to convert paise to rupees, we have to add decimal point 2 digit from the right. That is the shortcut method to convert paise to rupees. Now suppose you have 153 paise. Okay, and you have to express this in terms of the rupee symbol. So how will you do? You do that shortcut method is that you count from the right hand side 2 digit, any two, the first 2 digit, that is 3 and 5. Then you put a decimal point. Okay, so it becomes 1.53. Put the rupee sign. So in this way we can convert paise to rupees. Now why this decimal point is coming here? Why you are taking 2 digit? We know to convert paise, okay, so we have to divide by 1 by 100. Then only it becomes the rupee. Okay, now 153 if you divide by 100, 153 if you divide by 100, the answer is 1.53. So any number, okay, whether it is 3 digit, 4 digit or 5 digit, any number if it is given in paise, you have to convert into rupees. So what you do, you either divide by 100 or you count the 2 digit from the right hand side and put the decimal point. Okay, so in this way we can convert rupees to paise or paise to rupees. Since your exam is going on, I am not giving you any homework, but 2 questions will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. These 2 questions you can do, you can complete it as soon as your exam is over. Okay, so the keywords which is used in this chapter is rupees, paise, notes, coins and conversion. Okay, so rupees and paise are the 2 forms of money. Notes is for the notes and coins are the 2 types of money we get. One is paper, another is metal, and conversion means changing from one form to another form. So children, this is just the introduction for today. In the next class we will learn how to convert rupees to paise or paise to rupees for the higher value, and after that we will learn about the calculation of money in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. With this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.